Happy National Heroes Day! Hey, what's up everyone? It's Natalie Smith, and today we're diving into something truly epic, Jamaica's 7 national heroes. Every year, on the 3rd Monday of October, we celebrate the heroes who shaped Jamaica into what it is today. I'm about to break down the incredible stories of these heroes, so stick around. Oh, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, this is one history lesson you don't want to miss. So what exactly is National Heroes Day? Well, it's a chance for us to celebrate some seriously amazing Jamaicans who shaped the country. I'm talking about real-life heroes, no capes required. These folks literally changed the game. Which Jamaican hero do you think should have a movie made about them? Drop your pics in the comments. First up, Marcus Garvey, the man with a global vision. Garvey wasn't just thinking about Jamaica, he was thinking about uniting black people worldwide. He founded the Universal Negro Improvement Association, UNIA, and promoted self-reliance, pride in African heritage, and black empowerment. His ideas heavily influenced future civil rights movements across the world, especially in the US and Africa. Fun fact: Garvey's idea of Africa for Africans inspired many Pan-African movements and leaders like Malcolm X and Nelson Mandela. Garvey's influence stretched far beyond Jamaica, making him not just a national but an international hero. Then we've got Nanny of the Maroons, no jokes here. She led a guerrilla war to defend her people in the Blue Mountains against the British in the 18th century. Her tactics and leadership secured freedom for the Maroons, and she's remembered as one of Jamaica's fiercest fighters. Legends say she caught bullets with her hands, but her legacy is her strategic brilliance in leading her people to victory. Nanny's leadership wasn't just about warfare. She helped to create an independent Maroon community in the mountains which still exists today. Her role in preserving African culture in Jamaica makes her one of the most respected leaders in our history. Bogle. This man didn't just preach, he led a rebellion. He organised the Morant Bay Rebellion in 1865, rallying the poor to fight against injustice and oppression. His fight led to reforms in Jamaica's justice system, and his leadership was key in shaping the course of Jamaican history. Bogle's influence didn't end with the rebellion. His actions paved the way for modern legal reforms in Jamaica, highlighting the power of standing up for what is right, even when the odds are stacked against you. George William Gordon, the politician who stood up for the poor, born into privilege, he used his influence to fight for the disenfranchised. Gordon spoke out against the injustices faced by the poor, especially after the Morant Bay Rebellion. Though unjustly executed, his death helped push for major reforms in Jamaica's colonial government. Imagine someone who could have lived a life of comfort, but chose to dedicate his efforts to uplifting those who had no voice. Gordon's legacy is one of selflessness and sacrifice, qualities we can all admire. Samuel Sharpe was all about peaceful protest. A Baptist preacher and leader, Sharpe organised a general strike in 1831, which became known as the Baptist War. His leadership and non-violent approach helped lead to the abolition of slavery in Jamaica. Sharpe believed in freedom for all, even if it cost him his life. Sharpe's commitment to non-violence and justice influenced not only the abolitionist movement in Jamaica, but also many global freedom struggles. His actions show that one voice committed to justice can spark change for generations. Norman Manley was the legal eagle, helping Jamaica gain independence with the precision of a lawyer. As a founding member of the People's National Party, or PNP, he played a pivotal role in negotiating Jamaica's self-governance from Britain. Manley's legacy lies in his dedication to justice and the nation's development. It's often said that without Manley's legal expertise and diplomacy, Jamaica's road to independence would have been much rockier. His impact on the country's constitution and governance is still seen in Jamaica's political framework today. And last but definitely not least, Sir Alexander Bustamante, the voice of the people. He was the first Prime Minister, but before that, he was a firebrand leader fighting for workers' rights. He founded the Jamaica Labour Party and became the face of political activism for the working class. Bustamante's leadership shaped Jamaica's political landscape, and he's a key figure in the nation's history. Fun fact, Bustamante's activism actually landed him in jail at one point, but that only made his influence stronger. His ability to connect with the working class and push for labour reforms cemented his status as one of Jamaica's greatest leaders. Hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown of our national heroes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss the other cool stories I've got lined up. And while you're at it, tap the like button too, because who doesn't love a good hero story? So, why does Heroes Day matter? Well, besides giving us a day off, it's a reminder that the freedom and rights we enjoy today didn't just happen. They were earned through hard-fought battles and smart leadership. These heroes laid the foundation for modern Jamaica, and their influence is still felt today in our politics, culture, and even everyday life. From the bravery of Nanny of the Maroons to the political wisdom of Norman Manley, each hero contributed to the rights we sometimes take for granted today. That's why we pause every October to honour them. Which of these heroes do you think we should talk about more in schools? Let me know in the comments. You know, their work didn't just stop when they passed away. Garvey's vision of unity, still inspiring movements today. Nanny's courage, still fueling our fights for justice. Bustamante's leadership? Well, Jamaica wouldn't be what it is without him paving the way. These heroes live on through the actions of Jamaicans today, shaping our modern culture and identity. Even now, when Jamaicans stand up for equality or march for justice, they're continuing the legacies of Bogle, Sharpe and Gordon. These heroes aren't just part of our history, they are part of who we are as a people. And there you have it, 7 heroes who helped build the Jamaica we know and love today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and of course, subscribe for more awesome content. Seriously, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Remember to learn, love, and live. Stay blessed.